Hello students, in fifth lesson inside, that is the decimal fraction inside, we had seen the addition. We are going to see now addition and subtraction of a decimal fractions, and in it we saw this activity and we learned the the quarter kg, half kg, 1 kg, these parts we had seen. Now we will see, before starting the practice set number 14, just recall the points that you have studied in last standard, that is the place values of a number, but the place values we are learning after decimal point. Okay, so we will see. For understanding the place values of a number, I will write here one number, that is suppose 432 point decimal point 925. Okay, now here I wrote one number and this number is 432.925, and one thing I have to notice, or main important thing is that how to read the numbers after decimal point. So you are, sometimes what happens, some students are reading this as a 432.925. so this is the wrong way of reading. So how to read this? 432 point 9.925. Okay, 925 if you are reading, then it is wrong. Okay, and that's why what happens, we are studying it's a place value. So how it is there, that I will tell you. So first of all, we will write the place values, and that you knows that we will study at first term. Okay, so I will write here 432 and then it's a place values. So here 432.925, 432.95, 432.925. So I will write it separately for better understanding. So 4, as you know that the number which is which is towards the left side of point, they are 432. So value of this 4 is how much? 400. Value of this 3 is 30, and that was over for you, it was there for you in the scholarship also, and plus its a 2's value is 2, so it is 432. So whenever we are writing the 432.25, then what we have to do here, this is 4's place is which place? 4's place is 100 place. 4 is present in which place? 100 place. 3 is present in which place? 3 is present in the tens place. It is present in tens place. And 2 is present in it. Which place? Unit place. And that things you are studying from standard, from the unit place, tens place and 100 place. But today we will see the place values of the digits which are present after the point or after the decimal point. So that I will tell you the places of these numbers. So first of all, I will write this number again, 432.925. 432.925. Okay, as I told you, the numbers place values are, this is unit place of a number, this is tens place of a number. Okay, and then it is 100 place of a number. Okay, after that now we will see what is the place value of 9. So place value of 9 is, place value of 9 is TENTHS. TENTHS. TENTHS means tens place. Okay, it is tens place. After point units place is not there. After point tenth place, two's place is, the place of 2 is which? Hundreds place. HUNDREDTHS, hundreds place. And 5 is at thousands place. THOUSANDH. THOUSANDTH. Yes. So we have to add THS and THS after the spelling of 10, 100 and thousands. Okay, understand all of you? So values of this is equals to what? Tens, hundreds and the which place? Tens, hundreds and the thousands place are there. Now the place name we had seen. Now what is the value we will see? If 4 means what? 4 into 100. Okay, means 400 and its value is what? 4. It is at 100 place. Now 3 is at which place? Tens place. Tens place, if it is present, you have to multiply it with the 10 and its answer is the how much? That is 30. So its value is what? That is the tens value. And 2 we have to multiply it with the 1 and 2 ones are 2 and it is unit place. Now if you are going forward, the points forward, then we have to, how we are multiplying here 100, 10 and 1, we have to divide it with the 9 into 1 upon 10. 9 into 1 upon 10. If you, which place is this? I told you TENTHS, tens place. And then this 2 is at which place? Hundreds place. HUNDREDTHS. And this is thousands. THOUSANDHS, thousands place. So here if it is 2 is present at which place? 100 place. We have to divide it with the 1 upon, multiply 2 into 1 upon 100 or directly divide 2 by 100, then you will get the value of it. Now 5 is present at which place? That is thousands place. So for 5, what I will do here? I have to multiply this 5 with the 1 upon 1000. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1 upon 1000. Now what is the answer I will get it here? If you divide 9 with the 10, if you divide 9 with the 10, you will get the answer, that is, if you multiply 9 ones are 9 and if denominator inside 10 is there, on 10 1 0, in 10 1 0 is there. So from backside leave 1 point and give point here. So its value is 0.9. Same thing, 2 ones are, these 2's multiplication, that is 2 ones are 2 and point out on 1 how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So whenever you are giving the decimal point up, you have to count from backside 2 digits. So 2 0 means these are the 2 digits, 1 and 2 digits are there. After these 2 digits you give the point here. So 2's value is 0.02 or 0.02. Now if you come towards a 5, then you will notice that the value of 5, you have to write the multiplication of the 5 into 1, 5 ones are 5, this is 5 ones are 5, and on 1 how many zeros are there? Denominator 1000 inside, 3 zeros are there. So this is the first number, second and this is third, and points forward 0.005 is the place value of the which, that is the 0.5, and that's why we are not saying that 432.925 is the wrong reading of it. And so what is the reading of it? 432.925. In this way we have to read the number. Okay, understood all of you? I will show you one more example, then we will move towards the exercise. Okay, now see here, I will cut this on. I will write one number is here, 3, first place values you will see, 742.861. Okay, now what is the place? This place is 100 place, this place is hundreds place, this is 100 place, this is tens place, This is unit place. Just keep in your mind. This is tenths place. Tenths. Tenths. Tenths place. Okay. This is hundredths place. Hundredths. Dedths. 100. And this is thousands place. Thousandths. Hundreds place. Now what is the place value of 7? That is 700. What is the place value of 4? That is, its place value is 40. What is the place value of 2? It is 2. Now point after. What is the place value of this? 8 upon 10 means 0.8. 0.8. 8 upon 10 means 0.8. 0.8. What is the place value of 6? 6 upon 100 means 0.06. 0.06. What is the place value of this 1? 1's place value is 1 upon 1000 is equal to 0.001. Understand all of you? The place values of tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. In this way you have to solve the examples. Okay. Now we will see the practice set. Wait. Now in the practice set number 14 inside, here is one question they are given to us, and that question is, in the table below write the place value of each the digit 378.025. So first of all we will see the places of these numbers. So as you know that just I taught you, first is the hundreds, 100 place, tens place, unit place, then tenths place, hundreds place and the thousands place. Okay. Now what is this value? Hundreds place value is 100. Tens place value is 10. The place value of unit place number is unit, means 1. Now tenths place. Now tens place value is 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10. You have to THS came, then if instead of multiplication you have to do the division. Now hundreds place, so 1 upon 100. Thousands place, so 1 upon 1000. These are the values. Now we will write the number which is given to us in a particular places. So 378.025 is written here. 100 place, 70 will come in tens place, 8 will come in unit place, then 0 is present at tenths place. So here 0 we wrote. After point, first digit is at the tens place. Point after second digit is at which place? Hundreds place. So here it is 2. And thousands place, that is 5 is present at third place, and that is why its place value is thousands place. Now we will see the place value of the particular digits. Okay. Now 3 is at which place present? 100 place. So 3 into 100 is equal to 300 is the place value of this. 7 into 10 is equal to 70. 8 into 1 is equals to 8. Now we came towards the 8th place, and in our number, which is number present at 10th place, that is 0, and 0 divided by any number is equals to 0 only. Okay. Now next it is the which place? That is the hundreds place. So for 100 place, what we have to do here? This is these two's multiplication. Okay. What will be the multiplication? 2 upon, what will come the multiplication? 2 upon 100. What is the meaning of 2 upon 100? 2 upon 100. So first of all we have to write 2. Point after how many digits are zeros are there? On 1 how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So leave 2 digits from back side and give the point. So 0.02 is its answer. So directly I will write the answer here. So first of all write here 2. On 100 2 zeros are there. So 1 only digit is there. So you have to write your own 0 here and point here 0.02 is the multiplication of this way. Both. Same way 1 upon 1000 into 5 is equals to 5 upon 1000. On 1 how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. That's why first write the 5, and then after 5 point how many digits we want? 3. So count it from back side, that is the first, this is second and third, then give here point, and if number is not present we have to write our own zeros at that places. Okay, so today what this is the place values of the different digits. Now we will see the next point, that is the addition of the decimal point fraction and subtraction of the decimal fraction. Okay, so now here you will see the addition of a numbers. So here I will write one number 4 432.61.61 plus 39.736. I have to add these two numbers. Okay, that I took my own numbers. So whenever you are solving these types of question, one thing keep in your mind that we have to write this number at first number write at first. So I will write, this is the question number 1. So I will write here 432.61 432.61 plus 39. So what is the main thing I told you? Here it is decimal point, here it is decimal point. So first of all, whenever you are writing the digits, we have to write the decimal point below the decimal point. So here it is 39 is present below this. So point here, if I will write here this point, then 39 I have to write here. Okay, and then 736. So whenever we are solving the addition and subtractions example, then what happens? We are doing the mistake. Where we are doing the mistake? That is, if you are writing in this way, 432.61, then 39.736. When you do the addition of this, what will happen? Then your example will be, your answer will be wrong, because here the position of the decimal places is different in both the numbers inside. Okay, so one thing we have to keep in our mind, what is I told you that we have to write this decimal point below decimal point. I will show the decimal point with the different color, so you will understand it. Okay, so here is the decimal point. I shown it with the red color. This is my decimal point. So addition we have to do. Now whenever you are doing the addition, now again you are getting confused. 6 is here and here upside digit is not there. Okay, here where is digit? Here question digit only not there. So at that time what we have to do here? We have to give our own 0 here. Okay, okay, 0 plus any number is equal to same number will come. So what we have to do? Own 0 we have to give. Now what I will do here? I will solve this example. If you see in the question here 0 is not given, but I wrote it here for our convenience or to for the correct answer. So I will do the addition now. This is the wrong. I told you this way is the wrong way of writing the questions. Arrangement only wrong. So your answer definitely it will be wrong. So I will rough this, otherwise you will get confused. Now here is the question. Now I am solving the question. So here 0 plus 6 is equals to 6. 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. Okay, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 6 plus 7 is equals to how much? 13. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. So 3 is here and 1 is, what happens? I will carry on the next place. Now here 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. Here again 1 carry. 3 plus 3 6 and 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, and this is the 4, and this point and here answer inside also point below, point only we have to give. Okay, so here it is the point, and this is my point. I shown it with the green color. Okay, now what we have to do here, all of you, if you understand it, then we will move towards the next question. Understand all of you? Okay, now we will move towards the next question. Suppose I will write here one question. 625.9 plus 326.432. As I told you, you have to give your own zeros here. If I am not giving, so 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus 3, 3. 9 plus 4 is equals to how much? 30. Then point here, right? Point, this is point, that is point, right here, point below, point. So 6 plus 6 is equals to 12, 1 carry, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it is 5, and here 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. In this way, you have to solve these types of decimal fractions addition. Okay, so today we will stop here only. Tomorrow we will see the subtraction of the decimal fractions. So all of you solve the question number 2 and note down this whatever I taught you, that also you have to note down. Okay, thank you.